If your TP-Link Deco is pulsing red light, do not factory reset your whole network yet. First, check is it the main unit connected to the modem or a satellite unit in another room. The fixes are completely different for both. Scenario A, the satellite is red. This usually means it's just too far away. Fix number 1 is the proximity rebind. Unplug the red unit and plug it into a wall socket in the same room as the main unit. Wait 2 minutes. If it turns solid green or solid white, depending on your model, your hardware is fine. It was just a range issue. Move it back to a spot closer to the main router. Fix number 2, the ghost node. If moving it didn't work, the app might have a corrupted memory of the device. Before you reset it, you must delete it from the app. Open the Deco app, select the failed unit, tap the gear icon or 3 dots in the corner, and hit remove. Now that it's gone from the app, flip the unit over. With it powered on, use a paperclip to hold the reset button. Wait until the light turns pulsing yellow, then release immediately. Now use the app to add new unit again. Scenario B, the main unit is red. This means your internet is down. Restarting the Deco usually won't fix this, because your ISP modem is locked to an old session. Fix number 3, the Modem Capacitor Drain. You need to force a new IP lease. Unplug the power cable from your ISP modem, the black box from your cable company, not just the Deco. Leave the modem unplugged for 10 full minutes. This drains the capacitors inside and forces it to forget the old connection. Plug the modem back in first. Wait for its online light to turn solid. Only then restart your main Deco unit. It should grab a fresh IP and turn green or white instantly. If the proximity trick or the modem drain saved your Wi-Fi, like the video, subscribe, and comment if you need more help.